So in the background, behind Jen's head, you can see Black Island. Can you guess why it's called Black Island now? And there's some big swells right now, and the girls are having fun. But this is a beautiful day, and it's really nice to be here. You should be here. You should be here. And if you want to come here, let us know, we'll help you. We can organise a trip like this for you to Black Island or anywhere else you want to go. But now I'm sure you really guessed why it's called Black Island. It is a huge black rock, but it's got a stunning beach. It's got a stunning beach. Wow, that was hard. And it's got a monitor lizard reserve on it, which I'll show you later on. And it's quite rare to see monitor lizards like this because they're kind of scared, even though they look like small dinosaurs. They're kind of scared of everything and they run away from you. So later on I'll take you down to the reserve and I'll show you them. There's a bunch of 20 or 30 of these monitor lizards, and it's quite nice to see them just sitting around and hanging out. And then, as I said earlier, there's a cave. We'll go into the cave and we'll give you a bit of a guided tour. But this is really beautiful right now. The sea's really calm, despite what it looks like. It's actually pretty calm. On a bad day, this is really wild, and I wouldn't come here on a bad day. But there you go. Whoa, there you go. That's fun. So I'll just give you a. Oh.